This is us. This is.
Guys, this is Snehal and today we are going to make some vintage looking home decors from new. Also, I had something different planned for the fourth DIY, which is the frame. I wanted to place those flowers which we get as greetings, the roses as a token of love, and they dries up and we don't know what to do about them, and it will remain as a memory and also it will make good wall decor. So that was the plan, but I couldn't get the roses because of the lockdown and nobody gives it to me. So I made those from newspaper as well. If you like this video, then make sure you thumbs it up, subscribe, hit the bell button. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this first one, take a piece of newspaper, some colors and start painting. I decided to paint, but you can take your crayons, draw something, make a sketch or scribble on with pencil colors. Anything would look superb. And then add a frame to it. Or you can make something as simple as flowers and they too will look so vintagey and so good. Loved how this turned out, and that's why I made so many of these. The second one, take a piece of newspaper and a pencil and roll it over the pencil, but make sure you remove the pencil before rolling it, and then stick the end with some glue. Make some more of these and cut them, 3 of 15 centimeters, 3 of 10 centimeters and 3 of 6 centimeters. And then the favorite part, color them. I colored them black, and also make these cut at both the ends for proper finishing. Now take those of 10 centimeter and pass a thread through them and make a knot at the end so that they'll form a triangle. Then glue them together. And do the same with those of 6 centimeters and make a smaller triangle. Now we have to join this bigger and smaller triangle together with those of 15 centimeter rolls. So apply some glue at the ends of the bigger triangle. on the ends of the bigger triangle like this. Hold them together and place a smaller triangle upon it. Now apply some glue. Also apply glue at the bottom ends of the bigger triangle where we have just joined the rolls. And let it dry. Cut the ends of it and paint it for some more finishing. And done! Now place a glass of water at the bottom end and you can insert some roses or some flowers. Actually, because of lockdown I couldn't get the real ones, so I placed these artificial ones, but it still does the job. And look at it, it looks so stylish, so chic. This one is my favorite. Now for this third one, do the same as earlier and make the rolls, but this time cut 3 of 15 centimeters, 3 of 6 centimeters and 6 of 10 centimeters. And for this one I'm going to paint them golden because I want to give it a little bit of metallic look. After coloring, take the smaller pieces of 6 centimeters and pass a thread through them as earlier, and then tie a knot making a smaller triangle. But here again pass the thread of about 40 centimeters through each of these rolls. And then pass those of 10 centimeters through each of these threads. Ends of the thread and pass the ones of 15 centimeter through them and then tie a knot at the top. And here we get the hanging. Anything into it, like some artificial creeping plants or some real flowers or flower pot like I'm placing here, and you can hang it in your living room and it looks really good, really sophisticated and very elegant. You can make something as simple as this, like I made here 2 triangles, painted them white and then added some greens to it. Looks really nice as well. Or you can make something like this as well. The fourth one, take a cardboard of any size and a photo. I took here my brother's childhood picture because I like it, and then paste it just in the middle. Make the rolls but bigger this time, of the size of the picture and the frame, and make 2 cuts at the end like this. Now place these rolls like this and paste them and color them. I painted them white here. Now make these circles of newspaper and then cut them into circular motion for making the flowers. I actually wanted to place the dried up flowers which we get, and they have memories and we don't want to throw them away, so we can paste them here and it will look really vintagey, really nice. But because of lockdown I couldn't get these, so I made the roses of newspaper like this and they look nice as well. But if you have the flowers, then you can paste them here and it will look really nice. with the flowers, and here it goes.